Hello everyone, how are you all? Good? Very good. So yes, after such a long break, we are starting our Abacus videos again, right? But it's been such a long, right? We might have forgot our Abacus counting, our magical counting, and many other concepts. So we will just start from the beginning, right? Yes, we will start it. And what was the first topic? Tell me. Yes, our magical counting. And we do magical counting where? On our fingers. Yes, we do magical counting in the abacus. And what was the magic? We can count from 1 to 99 on our these cute little fingers. Right? So yes, those who have know already, they will revise. Those who are doing it for the first time, you have to observe it carefully. Okay? So let's start it. How do we do it? We will use our right hand. Right? We will use our right hand in it. One. Very good. Two. Three. Four. Very good. 4 is clear. 4 is just like normal counting. But how do we make 5 in this? We will bring down all the 4 fingers and we will put the thumbs up. Yes, this thumbs up is known as 5. Very good. So this is not 5. 5 is this. Got it? Very good. We make 6. 6. Yes, a cute smile. Everyone smile please. Yes, 6. Now 7, double smile. 7. And how do we make 8? 8 like this. 3 fingers here and this thumb like this. So 8. And how do we make 9? High 5. Right? How do we make 9? High 5. So 9 is this. And how we make 10? 10 is like we will close, we will bring all the fingers down, we will remove all the fingers and will bring one from the left hand. Yes, this is our 10. Very good. And how we will make 11 now? 11. Can you see 11? I'll show it to you. 11. How we make 12 now? 12. Very good. You all are very smart. Good job. So this is 12. How we make 13? 13. Good job. 14. And now this is the difficult one, okay? The difficult one is coming. You all are ready? How we make 15? Is this 15? No. The 15 is 4. Bring down all the 4 fingers and take out your thumb. This is 15. How we make 16? A smile. 1 and 6. 16. 17. 18. Right? 18 is this? Yes. And 19. This is 19. Not 15. Okay? And how do we make 20 now? Show me. Show me how we make 20. Yes, this was our 19. So we have to make 0 here. So how do we make 0? Bring all the fingers down. This is our 0. That means we are removing all the fingers, right? So bring all the fingers down and we will, this is 10. And how we make 20? 2, 0, 20. So simple. Now how we make 21? Good. 22. This is victory, right? Victory sign. 22. Good job. 23. 24. Now 25. Very good. 25. 26. 27. 28. Now 29. 29 and 30. This fist and 3 0 30. Very good. So we have learned the counting till 30. So you know how to make 30, how we will make 40, How we will make 50? This. Yes? We will make 50 like this. Now 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. 6, 0, 60. Good job. You are very smart kids. We have learned till 60. Right? So 1 to 60 we have known. Now we will practice more and more. Okay? We will practice from 62. Okay? Now you guys will make. I will tell you a number from in between and you guys have to solve it. Make 52. How do we make 52? Make it on your fingers. Good job. 52. Very nice. Good job. Now the next number is 75. Make 75 quickly. Yes, you are doing it right. 7, 5. So how do we make 7? Double smile, right? Like this. 7 and how we make 5? 75. Oh, some people have done this and this. This will be 57, right? This hand, that means your left hand shows the tens figure. And here, your right hand shows the unit place. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means till 9, you can show it on your right hand. And when you talk about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, you show it on your right hand. Very good. So this is how we learn your right hand, your left hand and which number you can show. Now do one more example, okay? Make 99 on your hands. Make 99? I'm waiting. Some kids have done so fast. Yes, good job everyone. 9. How do we make 9? 9 and 9. This is 99. Lovely. You kids are really smart. So we have done the magical counting. We have just done counting till 99 on these little hands. Right? We have done it so fast and so easily. Okay? So you will show it to your moms and dads and to your friends also that you can do counting on your little fingers from 1 to 99. And then you'll be the magician. Right? Very good. So practice for the magical counting and in the next video we will learn more about Abacus. Right? Abacus is so fun and when you do Abacus you'll become so smart. Trust me. Right? So just practice your magical counting and do fast on your fingers. Good luck. We'll meet you soon. Hope you liked the video and if you like it, like, share and subscribe and do comment too. Thank you for watching.